Let's solve one question of Cormen book. It's present on exercise 11.43. Consider an open address hash table with uniform hashing. Give upper bound on the expected number of probe in an unsuccessful search and on the expected number of probe in a successful search when the load factor is 3 by 4 and when it is 7 by 8. I already discussed upper bound on the expected number of probe in an unsuccessful search and successful search. In case of unsuccessful search, it's 1 divide 1 minus alpha, and in case of successful search, it's 1 divide alpha ln 1 divide 1 minus alpha. Now alpha given 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. First for alpha equals to 3 by 4. Then expected number of probe at most in unsuccessful search will be 1 divide 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4, it will be 4 minus 3 divide 4, it's 1 by 4. So 1 divide 1 by 4, this 4 will go off, total 4 probes. So maximum 4 probes for unsuccessful search. Next, expected number of probe for successful search. It's 1 divide 3 by 4, 1 by alpha, alpha is 3 by 4, ln 1 divide 1 minus 3 by 4. It will be approximately 1.848 probe. So 1.848 probes are for successful search. At most this much probe for successful search. Next, when alpha will be 7 by 8. Now expected number of probes in unsuccessful search is at most 1 divide 1 minus 7 by 8. It's 8 probes. Then for successful search is 1 divide 7 by 8 ln 1 divide 1 minus 7 by 8. It's approximately 2.377 probes. Alpha equals to n divide m. Here alpha equals to 3 by 4 means n equals to 3 and m equals to 4. M is our hash table size and n is number of key. Here for unsuccessful search 4 probes means we are searching whole table for declaring unsuccessful search. In second case also n equals to 7 and m equals to 8. So hash table size is 8 and number of keys 7. For unsuccessful search 8 probes means we are searching whole hash table for declaring unsuccessful. Whereas for successful it's taking less probe than unsuccessful search. With this I am finishing hashing also algorithm subject. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.